Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today's video is another Dutch pour, and what I really like about this one is I've taken some of the lessons I've learned in my recent ones and I've implemented it in this one. I used a lot less color, I used more white, it's more white space, and I think you're gonna like it. It's a pretty big canvas and it's actually for my bathroom. So it has metallics in it. It's got metallic black and gray and gold, and I think I even put a bronze in there. But let me get you down the canvas and show you exactly how I did this. Thanks for joining me. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. That way you can get notified when I get a new video up. All right, thanks for joining me. Let's get you down on the canvas. Bye for now. Bye. Okay, so this is going to be my last one of the day. This is another Dutch pour. We're going to try to do this one really well. This is a 12 by 36. I'm going to use Payne's gray, some space gray, some silver, and some gold, and yeah, and maybe some copper or something like that, but just all metallics. So there. Okay, let's go ahead and torch this. And then let's do some gold. Some silver. A little bit of Payne's, or a little bit of space gray. And this Arteza Bronze. Looks good. A bit of Titanium White. And then just a touch of black. Adding a little bit of definition. Pearl white. And then let's go ahead, grab my white here. All right, let's do this. Should have put more. I tried to do it so because I had too much white on it last time. Not enough this time, right? I like it. just as is. That's how I'm going to leave it, just like that, like it. I'll get you down here so you can see it. Actually, I want to torch it first. Some dead cells popping up here. This is actually going to be for my bathroom. So, looks really cool. Glad I put that black in there. Just put a little bit of it too.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.